Hi guys, here is Belsee. Today I will introduce this special Android 8.0 head unit for Suzuki SX4 26 to 2013. Okay, you can check this UI interface. This built-in microphone, SD card, IR, AUX, those buttons. Okay, you can choose the time. You also can choose logo. You can check Belsee. Belsee is a manufacturer of Android car head unit. Telephone number and the email address you can contact to us. Okay, you can choose the Suzuki logo. Okay, it's the Suzuki logo. You also can change this color. With gray, blue, red, any color you can adjust this panel. Orange, gray. Okay, let me choose the red. Okay. Let me choose the Belsee logo. Okay, let me check the system. All languages you can change this system languages. You can set your country languages. Okay, about the machine you can check model is PX5. It's octa-core PX5 rack chip. Okay, Android version is 8.0 Oreo system. Okay, let me back the home. Okay, let me introduce the internet Wi-Fi. It's built-in Wi-Fi. Let me connect SSI first because in our country doesn't visit the other websites like Google service. Okay, to connect to Wi-Fi. You can connect Wi-Fi in settings. Sorry. The network Wi-Fi. Okay. It supports Google voice command. Okay, let me try. What's time in China? It will search very convenient. Let me try either New York. Okay, it will search the New York City automatically. Okay, let me put our website belsee.com, belsee.com. If you have any more questions, you can visit our website to contact to us. Okay, this is our website. Any more questions, you can contact to us anytime. Okay, this new model. This is model for BMW. Okay, let me introduce navigation. It's built in Google Maps. London. You also can use the Google voice command, search London city automatically. Okay, it shows the London city. You can touch control. Okay, let me introduce Bluetooth. You can check this device name and pin number 40. Okay, let me show the Bluetooth. This is my phone Galaxy S8 Plus. You need to open the Bluetooth from your phone. Open the Bluetooth. Okay, click search button. It will search the Bluetooth. Okay, it shows the Galaxy S8 Plus. You can click pair. It will get the pin number 401234. Click OK. You can check allow access to contacts. If you allow it, it will show the contacts listing. Okay, it's connecting the show Bluetooth icon. Okay, you can let me show the music. I will show Bluetooth it later. There are two USB cables on back of head units. This is USB driver. Let me connect. The music will play automatically. This volume button. It's the USB. To the small speaker, so it will have sound. Because I connect the small speaker to test our head units. It shows the sound info. Okay, you can make a phone call. It's already connected Bluetooth Galaxy S8. The music already play background. Okay, the music stopped. When you make a phone call, all sounds will be stopped. Okay, when you hang up, it will do same thing. It will play music game. Okay, it plays the music game. Okay, it supports dual screen, split screen. You can check. You can listen in music and running Google navigation at the same time. Okay. Okay, let me introduce the video. You can check video disabled drum for safety. So you need to set it in the settings. Settings, find the car settings, the extra drum setting, watch video, turn on the watch video. Okay, it will play music for now. It supports 4K, it play 4K Samsung Diamond video. It's 4K video. Okay, that's all. Thank you. If you have any more questions, please contact to us.